Hello students, welcome to my channel Students Corner. So today I'm gonna say you second lesson Rupa Dari Nahi in 4th class Gunjan Patya Pustak. For that you need to take a sharpened pencil and an eraser which used to write the meanings. First subscribe and then let's go. Rupa Dari Nahi means Rupa doesn't fear for anything. Coming to the lesson, let's start. रूपा एक निडर लड़की है। उसे पढ़ने का बहुत शौक था। वह खेल कूद में भी चुस्त थी। एक दिन वह रुचि, रूपक और मनीष के साथ चोर सिपाही खेल रही थी। मनीष चोर बनकर कहीं दूर जा छिपा था। So let's see this meaning in English. Rupa is a brave girl. She is an brilliant student in her class. She also plays well. One day she was playing police and thief game with her friends Ruchi, Rupak and Manish. The Manish is a thief, so he went far away to hide himself. Rupa मनीष को दूधते हुए गन्ने के खेत में जा पहुंची। पर यह क्या? मनीष के हाथ पांव रस्सी से बांधे हुआ थे। उसके मुंह Let's see the English explanation. As Manish is a thief, Rupa was a police. So Rupa went to find Manish. She went across the sugarcane field. Then she had a surprise waiting for her. She thought, but what is this? What happened to Manish? As Manish's hands and legs are tied up with a rope and a cloth is in his mouth, Rupa was very surprised. रूपा एक फल के लिए सहम गई। फिर साहस बटोरकर उसने मनीष के मुंह पर बंधा कपड़ा खोला। तभी किसी ने पीछे से रूपा के कंधे पर हाथ रखा। रूपा डरी नहीं। उसने उस आदमी के हाथ को जोर से काटा। दर्द के मारे उस आदमी ने अपना हाथ खींच लिया। रूपा उसकी पकड़ से निकल भागी। वह आदमी डंडा लेकर रूपा के पीछे भागा। For a moment, Rupa stood shocked. After a meanwhile, she started to remove. Not after a meanwhile, Rupa's shoulder was tapped by someone. Rupa was not scared. Then she quickly bited the stranger's hand. And after she bitten, the man was not able to tolerate the pain. Then Rupa started running fastly, and the man came running behind the Rupa with a large stick in his hand. भागते हुए रूपा की नज़र एक पत्थर पर पड़ी। उसने पत्थर उठाया और उस आदमी की ओर जोर से फेंका। निशाना ठीक बैठा। उसको सिर से खून बहने लगा। उसकी आंखों के आगे अंधेरा छा गया। वह लड़खड़ा कर गिर पड़ा। Let's see the English explanation for this para. Rupa saw a stone in front of her. So she quickly threw the stone at the stranger's head. Then the man immediately. So students, this is half part of Rupa Dari Nahi. Let's wait for the second part of Rupa Dari Nahi. Thanks for watching.